Hey car guys, welcome to my channel. This is your average car guy, and today's video is all about 7 basic steps you can take to improve your vehicle safety and lifespan and save money doing so in the long term. Who doesn't like to save money? I certainly like a good way to optimize my finances and find cost effective ways to keep my vehicle in optimal health. In today's COVID 19 affected world, when finances are tight, we must get creative in finding ways to do basic cost effective maintenance while also keeping safety as our priority. Keeping that in mind, let us get into 7 ways to maintain your car, improve your vehicle lifespan, and hopefully save some money along the way. Number 1, wash your car. Now, washing your car may seem like an obvious point, but it is often overlooked. Washing your car regularly has many benefits. Let's look at these benefits in brief. Maintain the paint quality and finish of your car. Sun, rain, dust can have adverse effects on the paint of your car. Now, the sun can cause the paint to crack and fade over prolonged exposure, especially here in the Middle East, where temperatures can reach 50 degrees Celsius. Now, this can be avoided to a degree by parking under shaded places. However, rain marks and dust can be effectively treated by just washing your car. Clean interior helps declutter your mind. Research shows disorganization and clutter have a cumulative effect on our brain. Our brains like order, and constant visual reminders of disorganization drain our cognitive resources, reducing our ability to focus. The visual distraction of clutter increases cognitive overload and can reduce our working memory. A clean interior not only is more hospitable but also improves mental health. Improving the value. If you plan on selling your vehicle or even trading it in for a new car, or even if you're going to do so in months or years in the future, it is important to do what you can to keep your car looking great now. Regular car washes are a big part of this, and as they can help prevent rust, scratches, dull paint, and any other issues that take away from the look of your car. Tip: I am going to be doing a video in the future showing you how to wash your car without any fancy equipment, even if you don't have a water hose. Number 2, check and adjust your tire pressure. Another important step that is often ignored and taken for granted is checking your tire pressure. In my years working for car dealerships and service workshops, I often stress the importance of checking your tire pressure. Granted, most vehicles nowadays have a tire pressure monitoring system, but checking and adjusting regularly is a good habit. Here are a few benefits for checking your tire pressure. Better vehicle control. Believe it or not, proper inflation of your tires is essential for your vehicle to have optimal traction on the road, which in turn improves the handling and control of your car and improves the safety. Better fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires can cause more drag and friction, which in turn will give you poor fuel economy. With today's ever increasing gas prices, any small step to improve fuel economy or avoid high fuel consumption is a good step, and in doing that, we are reducing our carbon footprint even if it is by a small margin. Improve tire life. Research says that improper inflation of tires can cause excessive wear and reduce tire life by half. Running tires at just 20% under inflation can reduce tire life by up to 50%. For example, if your car's optimal tire pressure is 35 psi, so just a 7 psi drop in tire pressure can reduce your tire life, which ideally should be 5 years, to just 2.5 years. meaning you will be spending twice the amount of money in the same period. Tip: most gas stations have an air compressor installed which are free of cost to use. You can check your optimal tire pressure of your vehicle on your owner's manual or by checking the driver's side door sill information sticker. Number 3. Check your engine oil level and condition. An internal combustion engine consists of several mechanical metal parts which are moving in fine tolerances at thousands of revolutions per minute. Can you imagine if there are thousands of fast moving parts that don't have or have insufficient lubricant, or even if there is sufficient lubricant but has lost its lubrication qualities to smoothen the operation? Yes, boom, you have a seized engine, or worse, a blown engine. Replacement engines, depending on your car model, can cost thousands of dollars. How to check the engine oil level and condition? Start by warming up your car for a few minutes and switch off. This will let all the oil circulate inside your engine. Now pull out your dipstick, give it a wipe. You will see 2 marks on it, the minimum and maximum dots on the dipstick. After cleaning and wiping down the dipstick, insert it back into the engine completely. Now pull it out. Use a clean section of your tissue to check if there are any remnants of sludge, and now pull it out. Check the oil level. Check the color of the oil. It should not be black, it should be golden, and see if there is any particles inside the oil. In this case, the oil is in great condition, so we put it back in. That's how you check your oil. Number 4. Check your fluid level. Check all your fluid levels: coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, windshield washer fluid. Usually the reservoir container will have a minimum and a maximum level mark showing the optimal level of fluid. If any levels are low, top up as required. If there is extremely low fluid levels, it usually means there is a leak in the system and must be inspected by a technician after topping up. But regularly checking the fluid levels will help identify any hidden leaks and avoid sudden repairs creeping up on you. A leak identified in time will help you save hundreds of dollars, if not thousands. For example, if you notice the coolant unreasonably low, it could be a leakage in the cooling system, which, when not fixed in time, can cause the engine to overheat, which will leave you stranded on the road and cost you thousands of dollars in an engine overhaul. Number 5. Clean your engine air filter. Just simply removing your air filter and cleaning it will improve your engine's air intake system capabilities. A blocked air filter can cause poor engine performance, engine misfires, rough idling, and hard starts. The dirty air filter restricts the air supply to the engine, causing unburned fuel to form a soot residue that accumulates on the spark plugs. Benefits of cleaning your air filter: better fuel economy. Believe it or not, engine air filters play a role in how effectively your vehicle uses gasoline you put into it. In order for your car to use the fuel efficiently, it also needs air. If your car does not get enough air, your car will consume more fuel. Keeping a clean air filter will allow air to mix with the fuel properly. This will help your car go further on a tank of gas than it would with a dirty filter. Protect your engine. Think of all the dust and debris that hangs out in front of your car. Whether it ends up staying or not, your car gets hit with bugs, leaves, debris, water, salt, mud, and countless other things. You definitely don't want all this stuff to get into your engine. Though some of those things are tiny, they can cause big problems. Air filters stop all the dust and debris from getting into your engine. Because of this, your filter can become clogged, restricting airflow. Cleaning your filter often to keep it clean allows your car to get the air it needs. Improve engine performance. Airflow is hugely important to your vehicle, and the quality of the flow depends on your air filter. Your engine needs to breathe. If you allow your air filter to get dirty, the engine's performance will go down. The engine may stop running entirely if you let it get bad enough. Lower emissions. A clean air filter allows airflow to help with the emission system in your vehicle. A clogged filter will hamper that system, preventing it from doing its job. When your emission system doesn't work properly, you risk dirtying the spark plugs and increasing engine deposits. This can also make your service engine light come on. So make sure you keep the filter clean. Think of all the good you're doing by just cleaning your engine air filter, and all that money you will be saving on unnecessary maintenance and repair bills. Now you can similarly clean your AC filter by removing it from the tray and giving it a good clean. It is a simple process by removing the glove box on your passenger side and removing the holding tray which houses the AC filter. However, in some models, the AC blower may have to be removed, so always check your owner's manual before proceeding. Number 6. Check all rubber components like belts, hoses, rubber beadings or weather strips, and wiper rubbers. Most drivers never even think about checking these things, but let me assure you, you will save yourself a lot of headache, stress, embarrassment, and money if you just make it a habit to check these things. Benefits of regularly checking these rubber components. Checking your serpentine belt for any signs of crack or wear will avoid a broken or snapped belt. Trust me, you don't want a snapped belt while you're driving on the highway and driving at high speeds. A snapped belt can cause the power steering system to stiffen up, making it difficult to steer, which can cause an accident in a worst case scenario. It will also cause your AC to stop functioning and your engine to overheat, all of which can be avoided if you just check the serpentine drive belt. Checking your hoses similarly for any signs of crack, warps, leaks will also help notice any future issues before them even happening. Check your wiper rubber by lifting the blade and checking the rubber condition. Exposure to the elements and age can cause wear and tear on the rubber, making it ineffective when you need it the most. Check your vehicle rubber body beadings or weather strips for deformations or tears. Now, this may not seem like a safety related issue, but checking it will keep your vehicle interior quiet. And since you spend most of your time inside your vehicle, you want it to be a pleasant place. Number 7. Check all vehicle lights. In the interest of saving money, regularly check your vehicle exterior lights. Now, how can you save money by checking your lights, you say? Well, something as simple as a busted light can cost you money in the form of traffic fines and also cause an accident if the motorist behind you fails to notice that you are braking. You can check your headlights by switching on the headlights and checking the high beam and low beam functionality. For checking the tail lights like brake lamp or the reverse lamp, ask a friend to check the lights while you operate the brakes and the gear lever. Or simply use a phone camera to record the lights while you operate them. Like this. So, guys, that's it. Those are 7 steps that you can do on your own to improve the lifespan of your car. If you like the content, show some love in the form of likes, comments, shares, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and hit that bell notification to not miss any future uploads. Cheers, drive safe, and spread the love.